Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we have wasted 11 minutes while waiting for people to join us. I think we have no other choice than to start immediately without wasting much time. So this hour, I have to welcome all of you that join us. Those of you on the comment section, you are welcome. I can see Amadichi Gozie, Oliver, Edmond, Namodi Lucky Palace, Obi Chinedu, I greet you. And Ben Ken, I see you. Ken, I see you. And we have Benson. All of you on comments, please, you are welcome. And make sure you like the video, please. I don't have time to set a reminder on the comments. So make sure you like, very, very important. As you can see on the title, we are here to talk about something very, very important, very, very important. And many of you, somehow it is a sensitive topic. Any of you that follow me here, I think you can bear me witness that I don't talk about security or Biafran Liberation Army, something that I don't talk about it here. One, because I am not an insider to know anything about security. I may feel somehow that I think they need to adjust one or two things, or I don't, maybe this my personal opinion, not that I carry any I have the power to dictate. I'm trying to set my camera well. I don't know the best position so that it will be okay. Just a moment. All right. So I think it is better like this, or should I just make use of this one? Yeah. Okay. So I don't want to talk about some of those things, not because I don't see it, but my opinion doesn't really count. Because I'm not an insider, I just create content and talk in my own opinion. We may come together, discuss, and share our opinion. Not that I have power to make any decision. Do you understand? So I know my limit, I know my boundary. But I have seen, not one, not two, different platforms talking about a town in Anambra State called LiLu, L-I-L-U. So even some of our brothers who have different mentality, who have different opinion, who claim that Mazen Mekan is the only one that causing insecurity. Mazen Mekan is the reason why Southeast is not Southeast don't have any federal presence. You don't have any project from federal government going on in that part of the world. Mazen Mekan is the reason why one governor to another governor, and at end, no good road. Mazen Mekan is the reason why we don't have, the power supply of energy in Nigeria, in South. Let me just focus on Southeast, is the way it is. Yes, I hear you. But the thing is this: when it comes to buying of people, the story is not, you don't play politics on that. Unless if you are, maybe you don't have conscience at all. So people have come up with this notion that what is going on, what is happening in LiLu is caused by Biafrans. Some said no, it is people from the LiLu are the one calling Nigerian army to invade the community because they believe there's a presence of Biafrans people in their location in that area. So I don't have authentic information about it. But somebody, narrated it a little bit. But this is something that happened on social media. I've been begging that our brother to, if he can come and say it, because he said he's from the place. If you are following us on our WhatsApp group, what I'm saying now shouldn't be a new thing to you. Okay, most of you have listened to the audios there and some posts and some comment. If you are not in that WhatsApp group, you'll be missing about this. What I'm saying now. Even in fact, why people started discussing about it in our WhatsApp group is simply because the person made, I don't know if he's the one that made it for, but there's a picture of it's a young lady that somehow by the person, they shot her to death and burned some houses and cars. Then nobody knows the details until that our brother cleared air on that. He said that, look, what happened here is that this is a wife of a pastor, and this pastor somehow was calling for people from that community to return home this Christmas, that everywhere is calm and all that. So according to him, the armed men there went, tracked the man, and the man escaped, and they buried the wife and burned the house and burned the cars and all that. Then another source said, no, it's not true. That what happened here has to do with the Fulani. I've seen a picture, a video, that the same video. There's somebody, attached a Fulani person picture there. At the end of the day, you'll be confused. Because some of us, like me, I believe thousands of us are not from there, right? But we cannot also wave it away and say that it's not, it could be anything. It could be maybe the person that said that is gunmen, it could be another criminal gang, it could be anything. People can frame up something and put it out there. But at the end of the day, who is dying? Igbo people. Who is one of the community? Igbo people. When you hear the voice of some of these people, both people who claim they are vigilante, they are volunteer, they are fighting for Biafra. At the end of the day, you have this kind of feeling that now we they do ourselves. And I will tell you why. Because, like I said, I don't normally talk about what is going on, and I'm not gonna go, more. I'm not gonna go much in detail. I can only say the one on social media, all right, and like the one I know on social media. If you have any intel, I'm gonna open the line so you can call in and tell us what you think about it. But this is my own opinion. So a few days ago, they shared that video of a woman, which I cannot bring here. It's not possible for me to play it here because the owner of the platform, they will frown. In fact, they normally frown face on those kind of videos, and you cannot share it. It's a very sensitive video. You cannot share that kind of thing here. Then after, I think yesterday, it should be yesterday or early today. I don't know when this one happened. And that one is the reason why we're here. All right? That one is the reason why we're here. I think I need to start by sharing to you this one because this one we can play it. All right? We can play this one. Let me trace it and see if you can get it done, or should I play from this guy platform? Okay. Let me share it. Just a moment. For the man. For the man. All right. Don't worry. I don't know why the whole. Sometimes this system always. Okay, I think it's back. And just focus. I don't know if you can see the size. Okay, I think this size is okay because we are not here to paint, to massage anything. I'm not here to entertain anybody. Because the whole thing is shocking. The whole thing is very, very shocking. I have some people that have joined us so far, and I can see Benson. I think I said my greeting to you already. Jojo is here, and our brother here, Amaji Chigoze, and Jojo said, "Hi, my brother. How far? I did. You're welcome. Yes, you are welcome. Okay. Elizabeth, I believe. Elizabeth said, Kai, I greet you. I greet you, my sister. Nice to have you. Merry Christmas to you all in advance. God bless USB donors. I see you. You're welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for that. And somebody said that is the next man, one of us. Greeting Mazikai. Greetings to you. My runaway soldier. You know why I call you runaway? Because you hardly join us here. But if I go other places, your voice is always very loud. I don't know, you have vocal issue when it comes to my platform, isn't it? Next Mark. And you Spanish holder here. Emmanuel said Merry Christmas to you as well. Thank you. And beautiful Chuku. Beautiful, this is your name. I like this your name more. I love it so much. Beautiful Chuku Mazi, good evening. Good evening to you, beautiful Chuku. I believe you're a lady. Beautiful Chuku, you have to only women are beautiful. You must be a lady. You're welcome, my dear. So let's focus on this man. So I was, like I just told you, the one of the pastor, right? I cannot share that one, all right? Because Ozu the woman in the picture. My friend doesn't make us bath. Now, as we are saying, we are kind of trying to, not only me, when I say we, I'm talking about those who are not from that community. We are trying to find out who is behind this kind of atrocities, who is the person, and why. Why? You are, even if, I will tell you my own take, okay? I will tell you my take. I don't care who the person that's behind it. I don't care if it's the Nigerian army, if it's if it is a cultist, if it is the Bubago, Udogachi, whoever. You don't have, as long as this kind of crime is on in our land, it is condemnable. Honestly, it is condemnable. So I don't care. I'm not here to tell you, oh, this is party A or B or C. No, but these are Igbo people. You may have an element of Fulani in name of government platform or government team or whatever, but as an Igbo person, you allow this kind of thing to keep on going on. You must be the most useless human being ever. This man, after the one of pastor, then this one follow up. You get the point? Now, watch this. Pay close attention. In case if you have not watched it before, please listen. Listen, because you get why. Listen very, very well. No, start from the beginning.
For the man. For the man. For
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going to play it again, and I will tell you, I'll be pausing it to tell you what I observed. All right, and you have some people that have joined us. Zike, Emmanuel, and beautiful Chuka, I think I said my greeting. Margaret is here now. Margaret, you are welcome. Our sister, I greet you. Please do me a favor by clicking on the like button. I forgot to remind you on time. Please, no time is late. Click on the like button, very, very important. Let me know how many of us have managed to like it without even talking about it. Please make sure you like the video, okay? Hit like button. Hit the like button. Okay, let me not waste more time, please. Let's start again. Okay, pay attention. Let's do it again and see. Now, people that are questioning this man are those wearing special force. Special force. And pay attention at this, at back of the man, you will see somebody, a soldier man. The person will walk past, as the video is playing, you see them. And the language they're speaking is all Igbo language. Automatically meaning that those guys are all Igbos. Okay? So this one is not Ndugu, please. Now, on Ajuru. Oh, if you are global, negative. When the man, because the man is highly intense. On a delay, or say yes, or say or the guy say, okay, it is over. It is over. Or say over. Can I quarry gas? Okay, or say over. For the man. For the man. Over. Ever cannot pass a judgment. Because at end of the day, he could put the man is. At end of the day, he bought this man. So, not me saying that I wasn't there, but I'm going to play a voice note of people who happen to come from, because this happened in the LiLu. Okay, I hope I pronounce it well. LiLu. LiLu in Anambra State. This is what our people are going through. Very funny. This man, according to people, that people know him when I service at his age. If I call ya. Okay, na wata na ọ bụ na ndị a feel dịkịta da na no ife ọjọọ ka ọ na-eme ọkwa unu bụ ndị gọọmenti official because special force belong to government, right? Unu ka ịkpọ ya gazi na station gọọmenti ebeli anya mana fa na ebe ahụ wee zebuto George Adịman ọ bụ na demand notice o wuo onye ọma n'ime fa ọkpọ ife anyị ọ kpọrọ ife anyị don't worry, we're gonna play it back ọkpọ ife anyị ọgwado the guy give me ife anyị but asị na akpọkwara maf again that's how agwado other guy nke a na-ajụ ajụ sị tikwe ya warning gị tikwe ya warning ndị Igbo na ndị Igbo nke a bụ nwoke bụ Igbo ụmụazụ ụmụ na-amụ kedu ị na-edozi egbe iji license Joseph Faketa ka license ha waji grateful if any email, but let's continue. Listen. Okay, now, if I happen, negative, I cannot guess. Demand more meaning that no get boy from the community. Okay, for the man name more car no go from LiLu. Or see if I or say for my house, the way get. The back of what go on choir. Yabokan What did the man? Imana before mother warrior for our price in the year. The man never was to kind of school here because what to go more than that now. No can happen now. So all can the man I know was here. And I do now get here. Forcefully. Like none beginning, no way tools. What they does when I old man with the gray hair. Fanaba, Naba, where you wanna, where we buy, give me the car, intimidation.
You will license it, license. All those
now, there's in the breaking news today. Na nugu na bendugu, check and back. Mama go I'm coming, just a moment. After I can go see that Oya Megaleva. I found a diamond of them. In Afia, if Royal Nagara, some people, some of them can equal special force, but can die too. Okay, now what? Why if you shock if we are now go do guy no book one day also no they are more government workers, okay? But they name Ghana. And at the end of the day, you could put the man is so ebe akwa na okpebie na the man ada ekwu eziokwu okwifugo na this man ada ekwu eziokwu na the man ada ekwu eziokwu na ka m butugodo nke a ka m bute gị voice note ka ị geze, alright, ka ị nụzie voice note ndị ma ife mere de ọ dị ka m ebido na ana ka m bido n'elu ebe a, okay. We get dog guy. If I marry this man, bukwa kabugo otu ife a na-ekwu maka ya. And in this community kita na complain that na ndị na-egbu akwụnwolo ogwe na achụfa na befa na na-eme nke eme nke ọzọ. Mana n'ezie ndị akpọta na kita ka ha nyere aka na-egbuzi atọtọ. Ọkụ ifu gị ya. Let me go back here. Just a moment. Ị ga-ewe ndidi ka nke agbapụtagodo ọfụma. Please like the video in case if you have not. Like the video, like the video.
We are putting your speech. For the new local government, especially in the area, like this man. This man is able. Like an animal, or to a man, a woman, a shaman, and a shaman, and your time location by your time zone. Kakonoma on them in the local government. Pejimaya may with returners. We are putting your speech. For the new one, especially in the area. This man.
Wait.
This man is a popular man.
Hold on. We have Ada Simon in the house. I greet you. Greeting from here, bro. One love, my sister. Nice to see you. Now, I want us to pay attention. Ada Simon, God bless you for your time. I really appreciate you. The voice we are hearing happen to be those who know what happened there. All right? And you can see what the man, this is just the beginning of, okay? Just calm down. Let's play to the end. You understand what happened there. Just pay attention.
Depend your time location by your time zone. Kakonoma on them in the local government. Pejimaya may with returners. We are putting your speech. For the new one local government, especially in the area. This man. This man is a popular man. Then I say I'm also. Yes. This man Ananga. I could also from Asaba.
Please confirm to me if you can hear him. Let me know.
Now, what case as a notary? Was a coach of Moyanina, a coach of Zomayanina.
Thank you so much.
Including wine, and I don't know, then the motion. Then no shall be good. Also, a coach of Wayne, also a coach of Soy. And I may turn up at this man. But you walking on. And I may turn up here, may investigate. Money have I called this man. I honor. I from time, because so many. And I may try investigate up here. The whole one. Woman who had a banner bit this man, lawyer around the army. Ever, now, service and that neighbor. Make a fine investigation. For one day, what can I robber? Mama have a pay another. What can I robber? Now, local vigilante. Combine work. Run now, if no local vigilante. Interview. It just a better the man. On the interview, and nowhere. After this interview, go on for the video. I got the man by your head. I block his name. Justice for this man. And the man never make it the man never met. The man I draw my can make it. No. It got due process.
Thank you so much.
They made this man interview. Upon interview, you want to know. They just a fine interview. Then you take him talker.
Exactly.
To the kind of bodies. This kind of guy. You take him to him. International interview.
With the
Highland experience. The man the guilty. Akpapo and India. A man not as yours. Upon all their guilty, or release a young man. And I want this man catch. And then that he need to go all after. They find me. Cause the bone go after. Was you need that man who don't know?
Yeah.
I am observe.
Which is true.
What nine go injustice. Gone on over that. I hope my conscience. More particularly one conscience. I do things accordingly. Due process. One way maybe one mother. One mother maybe one more. Here to make a land. Ebe chuku wetere ki make it more bonny. No. Ana chuku na so yeso. Ndo dog man. This man no here. If I am no here, this man brafon and do the local vigilante. Genyai explanation. Genyai evidence. Real Babu Waka is that due process. That proper investigation from Highland. I hate this art. I hate it. I condemn it. It's unacceptable. I'm bitter. And I na service gị asabicha gị nọ n'ọrụ ọ na-asabisiri ụmụazị ya egbe nọ n'ọrụ ịgbara ya debe God will judge you. Ọ bụrụ na ihe mere the proper, may God guide you. Ọ bụrụ na ihe mere na igbu this innocent man because of hatred, no reason, God will judge you. You will die more than this man. You will die carelessly. I rest my case. In the local government, Robert
Okay. It did not end here. There's another one. So just pay attention because I'm bringing it to you direct without downloading it. I just want to do it that way so that I'm not going to waste much time. Please, if you are just joining us, like the video, like the video, like the video. This is what we are talking about. When you say that you are fighting against injustice, you are fighting injustice, but at the same time you are committing crime. What is the point? What is the point? Hear this one.
The warriors, the candy go to Botike, that Achabadike. Money, particularly have Christianity.
Anyway, before Namoke Punke, man, and the buy. I know na Okubaro Yocha. Somebody Najimo or California. If you must have looked at anyway, there's this news today that in Zamfara State, that bandits in the Obunigwe, they have started manufacturing Obunigwe. Like they have started, producing their own. Today, I saw that in, I think in one platform like that. But me, my own, I have to see it maybe 2 or 3 times before I will talk about it. But that may be later. What am I trying to say? In the Kogi state, you have people that are manufacturing AK, Naria, and they have not been arrested, not at all. You have people in Benue doing the same thing, they are okay. You have people living in the north manufacturing AK, but in the Igbo, when you can service, Igbo demand jaja. The annoying part is his age. He's an elderly person that he may use this just to feed himself, take care of his family. Now John or Danonia. If you check na age ago you can go to work or that if or the baby and also. Igbo would demand. And they can go
Tiama more di Timanamu Swami at the dome. Wala God is feeling more. Government more, more. Iki ya ajimi ha megide onye obodo dị etu ndị obodo a were ya adịrụ ụrụ onye mba ọzọ ihe ka ha were gbuo ndị obodo a dịka ndị Fulani mebi ndị terọrist. Afta ka ha mechara ya dịka ndị abụ ndị sekuriti a jiri ya nwere ike empower the man because na ọnwụ nara ha iyi gbaa ya ndụ ha kpọrọ ya open national ha bụ ndị sekuriti na-enye nkata echi obodo nwa nke mere ka aja asụchi ya ọnya ọ na-arụcha ọrụ ọfụma the man na-asali isi ihe ya. Let me tell you for something why we are black men. We don't use it properly. This man is doing is what he call a career. After all, also part of it was manka. Jen Boka, on that book, Oka, maybe Mahabi was manka.
But how does Google the man? Could you go never the right here? Ikebo. Because come with the last one. Let me bring the last one. Very, very sad. Very, very sad story. Very, very sad. Ogwejofo, I see your comment. Victoria Weke, greetings to you. Greetings to you. Okay, let me bring the last one. And there we go. Money man. Money man, I see you. Greetings to you. Sorry that my system is not responding. I want to bring the last audio. So, what do you think? Some of you may come from this place, so this is LiLu. Maybe you know what is going on there. Maybe you have a better information. But from the little that I have gathered, I think LiLu need help. Serious one, because it's not funny. It's not funny. But we know I'm laughing. Some of them are against Biafran liberation. Yes, some of them think that this security in their place is because of that. But I don't know. I cannot tell you yes or no, because I've heard from both sides. Some said yes, some said no. So I'm kind of I need better clarity on that. Okay, I need better clarity on that. They need to clarify it a little bit more so that it will make sense. But one of them, somebody told me, is that the woman that being by that pastor's wife, that old mama had won. Then this man, the bad man, is now who? The people that they call to protect you. So who do you think that is going to protect you then at the end of the day? And it's not only this one, though. It's not only this one. They are buying them, and they are buying people from that place. Just like the insecurity, which the guy told me that his own mama had the one behind it. which I don't know if I don't know anything about it. Okay, I don't want to say what I don't know. So anything is possible. But current concern, ndị Igbo are the one paying the price. Ndị Igbo are the one paying the price. No matter how you want to explain it, now we they pay the price. Why must it be like that? For how long are we going to learn or do like others? For how long? Anyway.
They had a local government.
Now wait. Let's hear from this one.
Na ya na aka na-akpọ ụzụ odikego na nọ n'olu ahụ nke akpọwaire ya hapụ ya ebe acha ka mmadụ mara na ewe gabazi ụzọ wee fụdụ ma ga-akpọwaire ya aka na-akpọ ụzụ aka na-eme nka ihe nitere ha na-edoziri ndị ya egbe
Just a moment. Okay, I'm going to take it back. Let's hear from the man.
They had a local government. Obviously, open news. Then I can have also for the cake.
Meaning that they shot the man and abandoned the man in one lonely place like that. This man is already decaying. Do you understand? With that burial, nothing. They just shot him and go. And it happened that the person one of the people know him and he know the guy, the one he called the fire. And then mother will be forget. People will be.
I like that was the way for the man. Gabo wine. I can also I can make.
Christiana, I greet you. I greet you. I greet you.
I went on. I have where far can I roll there? Nasali so there. Where would I personal interest, personal hatred, where patu, waka matter, old man for that matter. Waka knows an nature, a baby when you run out, only run out, canoes an a jog. And waka put a body at the day no fool, being a cheerful. Now for your warm one. Government are now one on our government or nationalist government are not get that walk. Or near Sare, near fire, any other than they need. When I work back to Waka, God will judge you all. Where from Waka take care of the graph, Rosia Mutana, you lose one. I have also a very shall also a real.
Yes, sir.
Where this man, or I had room.
Yes, sir. It's very powerful.
We sit up to work at everywhere. What can damn me go to where me no comfort? Jenna beer, which I investigation. Investigate that this man. For no innocence, so now I go there. I put the man number. Oh, what they investigate on a room down there, but on the neck. For Pano, what you call now. Hapo the man naba obruzu uno unwefu unwewe pro marione una gangia de batu moka demu ya batu dana ya batu gods of our land got batu nene
exactly
Slayer Highness opona liko oye mekotu nene ekeno ya nafuna wo. Justice for this man. Justice for this man. I can't keep quiet. I can't keep quiet for this art. It's an evil art.
Pure evil art. Pure evil art.
What the authorities cannot, these people can never go punish. Never. Wicked souls. Okay.
Ajukwamo. Onekade. Jukwamo.
Pastor Bass.
Baxter Bass.
Not very wicked.
I'm telling you.
What a word.
That is easy. The annoying part is that people from the LiLu, they always want to tell you that it's you understand? They always say mama. If Ikenga will tell you mama, he's not from there, but they are working together. This is a group who chose to do all kind, and they chose to do all kind of things just to blackmail anything Biafra. I understand that you hate it. It is your personal issue, no problem. But people that are mama, according to you guys, are buying. And the one that I'm buying, and which of them is more in number? You see that of the one that the pastor's wife, which I don't like, that whoever is behind it commit a very huge crime. You know, you don't need to do that. After that one, they have buying how many people again? Somebody is also telling me. Somebody told me that Army by three able youths from LiLu. As I'm talking to you now, they're in mortuary. Why? Because Army told them not to carry one activity because they want to go and face quote unquote mama in their base, and they couldn't get there. So that's the way the person told me the story. But at the end of the day, the mother of the story is that Army nan open fire on them. Like volunteer youth from the LiLu. And why is Army there in the first place? It's not to protect the community, people from the community. They are not turning the gun on them at some time, by them. Like this man now. If Army did not come to LiLu, this man wouldn't have died. Do you understand it? I'm not against Army going to your community. It's your community. You can do whatever you want to do, but as long as you are coming, you are giving updates on people that unknown government or Army, Umama or whoever that according to you are the one saying it because I don't know. As long as you are talking about them, what the crime they have committed, which is good to talk about and condemn it. Now, as we are talking, always also talk about the one that Army are buying as well, because you guys always label all of them to one group, just like what I did to Thomas Namodokan. That every crime going on in Igbo land today, he is the one. Namodokan is the problem. Everybody want to push that kind of narrative. The question is why? What do you think they stand to gain? Do you know what it takes to see somebody that knows how to do this man's job? You think it is easy? And this man, you can see, he's not even rich. Looking at him, you know that the man also needs help. At his age, he's still looking for what to do. Do you know what it takes him to get these equipments? And at the end of the day, you buy him and carry the equipment. Are you going to use it? No. After everything, then you turn around and say that one of them said, during the interrogation, the guy said that no, they doesn't what I carry after na monologue for the other person now. Not complaining why. Not to why because don't get me wrong. Because some big guy about one back at kind report, I saying that woman like this.
Ka for the man. Ka for the man. Ka for Wuka.
So this man in Anonia and Nakata, who's out of one place, will like I said, no. Obama this thing. Who's out of one place, will like I said, no. What they may about Obama. Udinana, Ami on na. Makana. And the problem is not come back and put like a bikini to say for he boy is not about but you are there to do what you get on now get face and each on now get face and actually. Okay, so honestly, this is very painful, very very heavy to endure. It's not easy at all. Not easy. Not easy at all. Anyway, let's move to another thing. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Gwara eziokwu. Ife a na-afụ. Ọ dịka njakịrị. The man now is no more. He is no more. He is no more. I wish that LiLu ga-apụta na call Kogodi because I believe that the main problem at that place is from the people from that community. That is my own belief. I think they are the main problem to themselves because they are not saying the truth about what is going on there. Ndiko na ndeko hino na befa too much. All too much. All too much. And some people are paying the price in a heavy way. People are paying the price. Anyway, there's something that Pastor Rabbi, what he said. I think after that, then I will not. In fact, before then, let me share link in case if there's anybody that want to comment on this, you can join me. But if you join, or if I told you anybody come in, you have to wait. Let me play this. The link has been shared. We are spending 1 hour 11 minutes, so I have to manage the time as well. 1 hour 11 minutes. Okay, let's hear this from Rabbi.
Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide to God be the glory. 18th, all this pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide to God be the glory. 18th, all this January, December, nothing there. The way the other one died, they cover up. Now, so they will let this one take up the one cover up. The Northerners expose everything. I talk about it.
Did you understand what he said by that? What do you mean by that? That the way the other one died and they covered him, they are going to do the same thing again. After saying that, he said that he's talking in parable. Before speaking in parable, I want you that is watching this to also understand what he said, so you can now understand that is a parable.
Pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide to God be the glory. 18th, all this January, December, nothing there. The way the other one died, they cover up. Now, so they will let this one take up the one cover up. The Northerners expose everything. I talk about it. You ask yourself, everything about my life, I prepared it. Why am I building here, buying rice? Anything I talk, sir. Men of God watching me are numerous. They're waiting to hear. No. They say they don't know me in their life. They know me. I'm the only man in the whole. If you say you are a pastor, and God did not reveal for you what will happen in your country, I'm the only man. That's it. The president nowhere to be found. '31st night. Telling you that after they will say this, they will say, and they will bring him, and after they will say he travel, and they will stay a year.
In Anya.
What will happen this January? Have a map, everything is God show like this in my hand. Now when I look at some things, I will laugh. I will laugh. Have you asked yourself, since Taba is slowed down in prophecy, have you been hearing again that for the people say, the Lord says, the Lord says, the Lord says.
There's something he said that I love so much. He managed to bring out his previous prophecy. Although I don't believe in most of his prophecy.
Number 6, nowhere to be found. I said Nigeria. I laugh.
Okay, this is his prophecy that 1st December 2016. 2016. Let's take it back a little bit.
You, the Lord say. Number 6, nowhere to be found. I said Nigeria. I laugh. I see the man being elected, running away from the receipt of his election, and many couldn't find him. There are many things This kidnapping essence.
That one happened though.
Aside long before now. Kidnapping will increase excessively.
In 2013, crossover night, 31st December 2013, he prophesied that kidnapping will increase, will be on a high rate. Now listen.
The rate of kidnapping I saw is very high. So be careful when we move out. I will tell you everything how things will happen on the 18th and 21st January, what will happen. How this insurgent security will end. How all these kidnapping, you will not hear it again. Kidnapping back? No. No.
Okay.
They know what they are doing. Very soon now you will see all these governments.
This one I will remember this one.
No more Ibika. All these things will. All this. I told you. All these things, all your foodstuffs where they go up, a lie, everything. I told you.
Okay.
I will tell you everything.
Asatina, I see you, Asatina. You're welcome.
They will say, okay.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
They will do this thing, a lot of things. I will tell you everything that first night.
Okay.
I will tell you.
You go remember this one, though.
After the election, 2027, 2028, 2029, and I will not tell you that word, Biafra will come to the Westerners. That is when you will see a written agreement between the leader and Nnamdi Kanu.
In 2029.
All this is happening. You see this paper. All this is Sokoto prison. This is a planned deal.
Okay.
Then to cover up, not to jail me, to cover up, not to intimidate me, to cover up, not to give to the Northerners again. Now, let's all fight for everyone to stay, state, country. And the same we will be deceived. They will say, go. We will now raise fight again. They will face us. Then they will now share the Westerners. I will tell you everything. You see, that's why you see. Do you see me move?
Honestly, I don't understand this, yo. I don't quite understand what he mean by they will share the Westerners. For example, he started by telling you this.
Pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide, to God be the glory.
So, does it make any sense to you? Pray against 18th of January. That if Nigeria, Lagos, Plateau did not divide. I don't understand that. Please, somebody should, in case if you don't understand it, please let me know. Maybe my ear they pain me. You understand?
Pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide, to God be the glory.
So if I'm not laughing at the prophet. I'm just kind of confused. You should pray that Nigeria, Lagos, if Nigeria, Lagos, and Plateau did not divide, to God be the glory. Lagos divide into two. Let me check my comments. Let me see if there's anybody that have said something about it. So which kind of prophecy be this? I'm doing real, to be honest. That's why I am kind of confused. Margaret said, I disagree with this statement from the pastor because the Fulani will not cover it. Why there is want Shetima, the vice president, will become president. That's why he said that the Northerners will expose it. That what he's trying to tell you is that if Tinubu will go, and they want to cover that Tinubu is no longer here the way they covered the previous one, which is Buhari. But if the West Yoruba will try to do that because they the one that covered the Buhari, you think they don't know? They know when Buhari buy, they know. But Northerners will not cover this one like West covered. I understand that part. But the way I have issue is pray against 18th of January. All right, that if Nigeria and Lagos and what state again did he mention? If they did not divide, to God be the glory. That part is somehow confusing.
Pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide, to God be the glory.
That means 3 countries. I don't understand. Anyway, here let's continue.
18th, all this January, December, nothing there. The way the other one died, they cover up. Now, so they humiliate this one, they can the one cover up. The Northerners expose everything. I talk about it.
Yeah, because Shetima will become president. You get the point.
You ask yourself everything about my life, I prepared it. Why am I building here, buying rice? Anything I talk, sir. Men of God watching me are numerous. And they're waiting to hear. No. If they don't know me in life, they know me. I'm the only man in the whole. If you say you are a pastor, and God did not reveal for you what will happen in your country, I'm the only man. That's it. The president nowhere to be found. '31st night. Telling you that after they will say this, they will say, and they will bring him, and after they will say he travel, and they will say, hey, yeah. What will happen this January? I've a map, everything is God show like this in my hand. Now when I look at some things, I will laugh. I will laugh. Have you asked yourself, since Rita is slowed down in prophecy, have you been hearing it again? That first the people say, the Lord says, the Lord says, the Lord says. For this 31st night.
As I said, this is when I try your long prophecy.
Number 6, nowhere to be found.
Now, his track record here is not bad, though. 31st night, December 2016, he prophesied about President Biden. I think this is why that's why this one is not bad. Watch it.
Number 6, nowhere to be found. I said Nigeria. I laugh. I see the man being elected, running away from the reason of his election, and many couldn't find him. There are many things.
That's the barrier.
This kidnapping essence was prophesied long before now. Kidnapping will increase excessively.
In 2013, 31st crossover night, 31st December 2013. That was far back, yo. Where was I? Let's continue.
The rate of kidnapping I saw is very high. So be careful the way you move out. I will tell you everything that will happen.
New Year Eve, yes, New Year Eve.
On the 18th.
New Year Eve.
1st January, what will happen? How this insurgent security will end. How all this kidnapping, you will not hear it again. kidnapping, but no. No, they know what they are doing. Very soon now, you will see all these governments, military people buying big car, military people buying no more big car. All these things will, all this. I told you, all these things, all your foodstuffs, where they go up, alive, everything. I told you long ago.
Okay. So, meaning literally there's no problem. Everything it will be all right until 2029. Then they will not give Mazen Meccano, negotiation will take place and all that. According to him, I think Master Prophet says something like that. I think his own is 2028 or 2029 or 2030. I can't. Is it 2030 or 2029? There's a day he mentioned his own prophecy about that, but I can't record the date.
I will tell you everything. By March, they will say, okay. They will talk.
Okay, 2027. Thank you. Thank you,
I will
Satan.
tell you everything that first night. I will tell you. After the election, 2027, 2028, 2029, and I will not tell you that word. Biafra will come through the Westerners. That is when you will see a written agreement between the leader and Nnamdi Kanu. This thing is written. All this is happening. You see this paper. All this is Sokoto prison. This is a planned deal. Then to cover up, not to jail me, to cover up, not to intimidate me, to cover up, not to give to the Northerners again. Now, let's all fight for everyone to stay, state, country. And the same we will be deceived. They will say, go. We will now raise fight again. They will face us. And they will now share the Westerners. I will tell you everything. You see, that's what you see.
Did you hear what he said? If I can, let me try if I understand what he was trying to say. That they will negotiate with Master Kanu and said regional government, Easterners go. That's not even different to come. Go, everybody will go. Then when they go, then we Easterners will now say no, we started fighting again or something like that. They will not face us. And at the end of the day, they will not come. That means that's a long journey, to be honest. Because, oh my goodness. Okay. That is his own prophecy. You understand? So I'm going to end it here. And, our people don't... I actually want to know our take about what's going on in LiLu. But some of us are not... This kind of thing is not... We always show I don't care attitude. But I have seen, if you are a broadcaster, or maybe you are paying attention to what is going on in LiLu, you would have agreed with me that it is worth discussing. The level of blackmail, if they buy okay there, they are from people. If they buy your car, they are from people. If not that these people recorded this one now. Do you guess who they will tell you that buy this man? Different people. Do you understand? But as God may have it, they recorded it by themselves. And everything, in fact, if they want to trace or track those ones, that people that did it, because he mentioned the guy, Ifai. Okay, he mentioned his name, Ifai. So, like I said, I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for your time, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Asatena, thank you for joining me, my sister. I really appreciate it. He said very, very long things. And that's so according to his own no. That means there were three course. Yes. There were three course, then people will now start. That's what they're trying to say. He said, let me go back. Go back to where, my dear? As I think I go back to where? Oshele Master. So you are watching my brother.
Yes, so Mazika in Dewo.
There we go. Greatest to you.
I salute you one name. May God bless you. May God bless
And you
everyone
too.
that is
God
watching.
bless you.
Yeah. I greet all my brothers and sisters on the comment section. I greet you all Johnny
Okay.
Biafrans around the globe. Greetings are current by your
Welcome.
time zone. And the lovers of freedom, justice, and equity, greetings to you. Everyone that is supporting USB government, I greet you. So, Mazika, I was just listening, you know.
Okay.
I think number one, let
All right,
me start
Katarina.
from
Sorry.
Yemen. Ama
Continue.
Moli,
Continue.
okay,
Continue.
Ama Moli look you na-ekwu ya ka ihe ala, ama mebi na-asị na ihe a ma egbu mmadụ, egbu onye na-akpụ ụzụ.
What in here now? That's not in here, local government.
LiLu. Okay. Ịma na ihe ịma na o nwe ka ihe ala ahụ si wee dị, o nwee ebe ha na Imo bụ the same people kwa beta just si ahịa ịghọtago.
Nke a na ya na LiLu na n'Ọsụ gbara agbata obi Ọsụ Mowo.
Yes. So, but however, ihe jọgbuo onwe ya ka ọ bụ at na onye Igbo na-egbu onye Igbo, na Biafran na-egbu Biafran. Ihe jọgbuo onwe ka ọ bụ na an elderly man from the explanatory there ebe ahụ gosiri onye adịgo aged, ọkpụ ụzụ. Ndị na-akpụ ụzụ a na-akpọ elefe ugwu, a na-respect ha. Ha na-akpụ ọgụ, ha na-akpụ mma, ha na-akpụ ihe dị iche iche for domestic use. Now, kedu ka mmadụ ga-esi nọkọta n'ụwa? Maybe because of ịkpọ asị, because of maybe uche m ka m na-ekwu, because of ịnala mmadụ ana, because ọ ihe na-emezi kịta na ọ bụrụ na ihe ego na metalụ ha chọọ ofu ihe bụ onye ahụ gbuo ya, ọ ihe jọgbuo onwe. Yes, ka enwe ike na dị ana, mana even if na ihe ahụ onye ahụ na-accuse ya the right na ọ na service ihe eji aba n'ọhịa, ndị na-agba nta or whatever. Kedu ihe dị njọ dị na ya? Na mmadụ nwere this natural talent from given by God. Ndị ahụ gburu onye a ha ajụgo ese ihe eji wee sị na ọka na-akpụ egbe, ihe eji wee na-akịla ọka ugwu wee ruo maka ata mgbe anụlụ ọgụ. Ajụgo fe check ihe merie. Now, such a brilliant gift that was given to your own zone, to your own community, to then obulu ndị nwa ga-ewere aka je wepụ ndụ ya. Well, okwu m ga-ekwu na ya bụ na o nwere onye kpee ekpere ma ọ gọọ ọfọ, ya onye ahụ gọọ n'ọfọ ya mezue, and ya bụra sọsọ n'isi onye a gburie ma isi ndị a gburie, ya mekwa n'isi ezinụlọ fa afara bụ ndị n'ụnụ mafe ekwuru maka ha bụ ndị kwere ka ejebe nwoke ahụ nwụde ife ahụ. Mimi na agadi nwoke enwere ike ịgba ọsọ, enwere ike imenwu nke ọ dị ndụ fa elukwa na ndụ ya ejida mmanụ ike continue na-eme na befa ha ma mkpụpụ ya n'alụ ka nijide iche. Now, coming to the prophecy of this man, I do respect that this pastor, and I don't know him as somebody who always come to give prophecy. No, or they any caliber prophecy. Prophet, and looking at his way of preaching in this recent day, his type of pastor, very rare. Looking at his own pattern of preaching, his own pastoralship, the very rare to compare with others. Maybe you go and check him. I've been following him for some time. So I will not hear this prophecy. Then it's only God Who knows? But now the bottom line about at the end of the day, Biafra comes.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter the time it will take. After all, since 2015, kind of after Kowazuru came 1990 also. Well, we're now. Then 2028, around the corner, it's just a couple of 3 years more. No, not up to 3 years, 2 years.
Yeah,
so
2029.
2029, no matter the this now, I nke arigo nke anyị ejeri nne. It's just like onye na-eje Aba wee ruo onye na-ejekọ Aba wee ruo Ụmụngazi. Amaghịzị m ma ya sị na ya erugo Aba ka ya sị na ya eruru Aba, mana mma na onye ọbụla ruo Ụmụngazi erugo Aba.
Yeah.
So no yet in here. Then coming to the ihe ọ na-ekwu about ndị eme omenanafa na-abụ mmadụ jebe onye Chukwu kpọrọ oku, onye chi kpọrọ oku, onye ihe ọbụla ọ na-ebirifu na kpọrọ oku. Esobie. This thing happened only in Nigeria, not in Africa, God forbid. Only in Nigeria ka simple mgbapụta ụwa na mmadụ nwụrụ esobie na-eme asị onye dị ndụ, which is Yemen ebe Buhari no. They intend to do it nebe ya rodo ade. The track nel foil anya. Now they did it nebe Buhari no. Mazim Nnamdi Kanu expose enya with other people. And the ebo kate wute mbuna. The people na-eme ya and they use wele medicine bukwa Christians or Christianities can use. Actually use ya kita na watch. Nda use you have the Christians. Now, he says something about Lagos and Plateau. I think it's more yoke with more pregnant than the way we just look at it on the surface or reason it on the surface. Dividing Lagos and Plateau, to me, it may mean a lot of different things. Then,
I think that means maybe the three major tribes.
The three major tribes get involved and they gain ethnic among can speak, but let me not just go into that. We are around the days are around the corner. Now, he said something about Ndebai at that time. Ndebai maybe it's quick. I think is not far from truth. Because definitely again when among us can now
Yeah.
even Mazi Simon Ekpa have said it that the internal conflict yakanko, which is truth. If one make it now, when the application a copy here go on we get here one way to a banya. Yeah, my dreaming. What is this? And I but the bottom line on I game when marry. The only way man get disagree and the ni okwu na mass Chineke nya biko nye kwekwana ka deviation game ke divide more than they have divided us before or now happened. When you look at it, you look at Yemen between the mainland of Biafra and the hinterland Biafra. How some people, even some people from in this recent court judgment during this use of the Muma, you see there's some oil communities to Port Harcourt. Some ndị buy when the family have banye back at I'm talking to you some part no name was some part no port. It according in those days. Then you guys na side the Benue Kogi. Itu akọọdụ mgbe na gala. Itu akọọdụ. Enwe ndị Anambra na anyị na-agbata ịbịakwa ndị a fe ebe a ndị a fe ebe a. It's like that. Itu akọọdụ kwa wee gaa via side Bayelsa and Abia State as well or Cross River. So they just don't do that in order to. So maybe such thing can a replica of it. Then the Bible like I create the conflict. Because I'm case na one came here before no zuro and that KPCC where APCC here. So we should be very, very careful. Since this message those who are championing the affairs, those who have the steering, they should note this thing down, note the area very well, and keep it. We should not allow that to happen. You see, some of our brothers in Banke, some of our brothers in Igurumiguru, some of our brothers in the Delta State. If we do, a majority of the Delta people, only watch the case that is going on now, all of them agree that happen Igbo, and they are going with Igbos. It is only few of the political elite, few of them, one professor and maybe Ndina Ogo. Few of them disagree. Ega to east and this and that. So such situation again or arise then onyenda or true motive onye had the chance mbunde Fulani ebatakwa again or Britain via Fulani batakwa again PCC and the mother. So those are the things we should be very, very worried, concerned of. Ndewo Mazikai, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Bless you and giving you strength always. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Kachifo, and your time.
They why do according by the time.
Take care.
Ciao.
All right, my people, we have come to an end, and we're gonna end it here. Like I told you, reason why we need to talk about this kind of thing is simply because you never can tell. It could be your own time tomorrow, and if you choose not to talk about it, maybe you may live to regret it. But I am happy. I am happy that everything that's going on, that many people are not paying attention. We are not here to promote violence. I don't promote violence or promote criminality. We are here to condemn it, to set the record straight. That's all. So we come in peace, and we're gonna end it now. Thank you, Asatina. Thank you, all of you, and please see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourself.
This is my album coming true. This is my album coming true. I trust you can't wait for this album. One of the best albums you will hear in 2025 to 2026. Igbo ka anyị kụnye nụ. Anya bụrụkwa na ofeke. Bụrụkwa na ọ na-akọrọ mmadụ bụ problem na onye na-eme ka ọ na-akọrọ maka na onye mee ka nnukwu enye ire a na-enye nnukwu.